We need to create the right message at the right time. The content is the purpose of the message. You need to personalize the content. You need to create beautiful, impactful content. We discovered that Beefree SDK can help us improve the creation of the content and give our customer a power to do that. My name is Daniel Suldan. I am the CEO of emBlue. emBlue is a customer engagement platform. The company was founded in 2014 in Argentina. Then 1 year later, we opened 9 different offices around all Latin America, including Brazil. And we are providing services in 3 languages: Spanish, Portuguese, and English. Before Beefree SDK, we built our own platform. Finally, we decided to go for a very updated tool that provides more options to our customers to create the content, to create a landing page or different emails. We decided to go with Beefree, and 2 months later, we released to the market. For us, using Beefree for the development team reduced the time to maintain our platform. We also using the AI tools to enrich or to enhance the content. Another thing, we were creating around 20 different templates weekly. Beefree has the templates there for the customer, so we don't need to invest time to do that. Finally, we are giving the time back to our customers, giving them improvements and tools to be more creative. For the others, founders or SaaS companies who is considering using Beefree SDK, I suggest do it, because you are going to reduce a lot of time of your development team. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Your team are going to love it, and your customer too.